Today we are going to be talking about 3 signs your thesis would be rejected by your supervisors. These are 3 key signs you should look out before you submit your project work. Okay, the first one is weak or missing literature review, and this is especially common for undergraduate and some MSc students. You're going to cite some certain or make some certain claim of fact, then you're not going to back it up or connect it with existing literature. So always make sure for every statement of fact you're writing in your work, you're always including or backing it up with existing literature. Another key point I want you to also understand is it's not just about including citations. One thing you need to also look at, especially for MSc or PhD student above, you always must use updated citation. Updated citation, what I mean is all your citations or references must not be below 3 years. Are you getting me? So any citations you want to use, you have to use updated citation. And if you're having issues on how to use updated citations or how to get updated citations, just comment below and say citations. I will send you a video I've already made on how to go about this. So the next one is unclear methodology. This is another very, very important aspect. Now, at times your methodology would not match your research question. Of course, you know that there are some certain research questions you use in your chapter 1, and you have to also use some certain methodology that will go along with the methodology. Yeah, that's a very, very important thing you need to also know. One other thing you need to know is, now, when you are citing or quoting that you're going to use a particular methodology, you have to justify why that methodology is fit for your work. Most people just quote it. For example, they will say, this study uses purposive sampling. Why? And without justifying the reason why you are using some certain kind of methodology, your work will definitely, if it is not rejected, you will get a low mark. So starting from your introduction section for your methodology, your research design, your population of study, everything needs to come with a justification down to your method of data analysis. You need to justify. Tell the reader, why do you feel like this method you're using is better for your study? Are you getting me? So the last one is high plagiarism and AI. Of course, this is something everybody should know. Your plagiarism for your work should not be above 15% to be safe. And your AI score definitely should be 0%. Now, I understand a lot of people are having issues, especially when it comes to AI and reducing it. What I can tell you is to achieve 0% AI score is 100% possible. That's one thing I can tell you. If you're having issues on how to go about it, you just comment AI below this video. I will send you a video I've already made on how you can use a particular tool to completely make your work 0% AI detected, and you're also going to check it on Turnitin, and Turnitin will definitely give you the result. So if you're having any question or if you're unsure of how all this applies to your work, you can send me a DM under this video and I will definitely respond to you. So I hope we see in the next video. So thank you very much.